So please do you and my block hand a favor and listen to me. Well, hey y'all. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by Sunber hair that sent me this unit to try for you guys. And this is a pre-cut closure wig with the kinky edges. Now before I show you guys how I took this wig from A to Slay, just understand I don't make these videos for fun. I make it for you, so you know exactly what to expect from these brands. If you buy the wig based off a picture that I put on Instagram or TikTok, I feel sorry for you. I tell you in the description box to watch my video before you buy. So if you don't want to listen to me, then I have nothing for you. Anyway. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Sunber hair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is their Jerry Curly Kinky Edge pre-cut closure wig. This is a 7x5. Yep, a 7x5 pre-cut closure wig. Pre-plucked, pre-bleached, perfect fit with our 3D cap, put on and go glueless wig. That's what they saying. So let's go ahead and test that out real quick. Sunber. Now I did go in and wash my wig with my Dawn dish soap for the ducks. Yeah, I used that on my wig, strip out all that dirt and that smell. Well, at least try to. It still has a slight smell to her because I didn't soak her like I normally do. I was trying to, you know, get out and go. So I will need to go in with my hair freshener real quick. This is the African Wildflower, and I'm gonna spray that on the hair just like this. Kind of help mask that a bit. If I had more time, I would soak her, or I will pop her outside and let that wind get through the follicles. Air that joint out. I'm gonna use my Black Radiant Soft Focus powder in the color Creamy Bronze, and I'm gonna tint all around my hairline just to make sure my lace is gonna melt as much as possible. Again, this is lace, not skin, so regardless of how this looks under my lights, it's gonna show outside. But if I can't see it, you can't either. Let's not talk about it again, okay? This did come with the kinky edges. See how that's looking? They look real natural, okay? Not too much going on with the edges. These fast fashion brands, they learning. We don't want the peasies around our head, okay? Match it to the texture that you give us. Jerry Curly wig, Jerry Curly edges, or close enough. It looks all right, but we're gonna see once I put my mousse on it. I do plan on doing a half up, half down style, so we'll see how that hairline comes out. They did send me the band, but they did not attach it. Start putting the bands back in. It's not too much effort for you, okay? It's too much for me. Put it in the wig. Is it gonna fit? Some of y'all asked me how to put the band around your head, so let me just show you. It goes right around the head like that. Now I don't know if this is supposed to be on the wig to hold the wig down, or if this is supposed to be switched to go against your nape to hold the wig to your nape. I'm pretty sure it's for the wig to hold to the band so it doesn't move. I do it this way because this part right here is on the outside. I wouldn't think you would want this on the inside, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I do it this way. Bring it over and bring that down. I could loosen the band to give me a little bit more space. I could also take off the adjustable straps, but I want this to be a glueless look, so I'm gonna leave it. That looks ridiculous. But just keep on watching. I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna get it together with a little swirly, okay? Let me just clip this up. For the hairline, I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse. Hold on, why do I feel like my hairline is kind of uneven? Or my glass is cockeyed, wait a minute. Let's put this mousse on around the hairline. That 7x5 gives me pretty much a good size closure around the front. So I have a good amount of coverage on my forehead. Swirl these up. I'm not really worried about the placement right now. Once I untie it, then we'll brush back what we don't need. They did send me a band. Be smarter than the package, child. Sunber. Hold on, let me get my glasses off so I can make sure it's all flat. Wrap it down like so. I will need to trim my ends. Even though it's 20 inches, I want it to be a little shorter, especially because this hair is not given super thick. Let me scoot back a little bit. I don't want this much length. Obviously, when I diffuse the hair, it will shrink up a little bit, but not that much. They also sent me a brush. Hold up. I don't necessarily care for these because of how flimsy they are. I like the one that I have because it is a lot sturdier. I feel like it clumps the curls a lot better. For me, I have seen girls clump their wigs with these brushes and they do just fine. I just don't like it for my wrist action, okay? But if you don't have my brush, you can definitely just go ahead and use this one and detangle and clump your curls. It is working pretty nicely. I did get some shedding with the wig when I did the co-wash. Let's just take out that hair. That's how much shedding I got. And make sure this is down how I want it. Now because I use my dish soap to wash my wig, my hair is gonna be very dry. So I'm gonna use my kinky curly method on my Jerry Curly wig by using my tag team, my mousse, and my Dark and Lovely curl glaze, just to kind of bring some moisture back into the hair and lessen up that frizz. First, going with the mousse. I think I used too much mousse. I forgot the hair is not super thick. Make sure I get that back. I can feel the dryness back there. Now, if you're over here from TikTok, I hope that you're watching the full video and getting the full context of this hair. Over there, you'll pretty much get the looks, okay? You're not really getting the full update of the hair. YouTube is where you will get all the info before you buy. So please do you and my block hand a favor and listen to me. I'm gonna use a quarter size amount of the Dark and Lovely Curl Glaze and then work it into the hair. Now I want to trim the hair a bit. Let me scooch back. I think about here should work. I think that'll work. So add some mousse to the ends so I can clump it. Take my brush, clump it together. Do this side as well. It already has layers around the front. I don't think I need to do anything with that. I'll see once I, once I style it. Make sure I get my front clumped. Make sure I get these to the back. So when I blow dry it, it's covering up the track. Did they send me any clips? No, they didn't. So I gotta use what I have. Clip this up in the front. I'm gonna let this air dry while I do my makeup, and then we'll come back, diffuse the hair, and style her up. So the hair is pretty much dried down. I don't think I'm gonna fluff her too much. I kind of like how this is looking. I've got a little dampness in here, but that'll dry down once I get outside. Is my hair two different colors? Like, it looks brown right there, but then it looks dark right here. Maybe it's just actually really dry. The natural dry down color is this. And then with the product, it kind of looks a little bit darker. So yeah, just be aware of that. I was about to go off. Don't be sending me no messed up wig. Don't be sending the wig bays no trash either. Okay, send them what I get. Let me take off the band so we can work on our hairline. Ooh, free me. Okay, I can work with it. Let me just find my brush here. Sunber don't send you no brush, no nothing. They send you a wig cap and some nails. I'm just gonna brush some of these back so they're not so thick. I may need to do a little bit of spray, not to spray it down, but just to hold the hair. Hold the hair, move it down a little bit, take your brush and just brush some of the hair back just to separate that a bit. I'm gonna take my Esha melt spray, I'm gonna put some on my brush. I'm gonna tap it around the hairline to put these hairs in place so they won't budge. My wig slipped back a little bit. Let me pull her back down. There we go. I'm gonna take the spray and spray it right here across the front, not on the lace, on the hair. Just to hold this hair back off my face. Use the excess around the front. See what I mean with the curly hairs? They may be a little bit too kinky, but they are dried down fully. The rest of the hair is not, so that could be why. I'm just gonna take a little bit of grease here just to add some shine to that hairline, because it just looks real dull. My lace is really not showing, but I'm gonna tint it just a little bit around the hairline. I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color Katsina. Tap some off, go around the hairline like so. All right, let's take off these clips. Oh, my hair is itching, hold up. We need to cut that one. That one seems a little long. Fix it with my mousse. I don't know what happened to her, but she a little janky looking. I don't think I need any product in my parting space, so we'll just clean it up a bit. Right in there. Is that how I want it? I mean, I think so. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look for this one. I think it came out really cute. The only preference I would change about this wig is the hairline. I want the kinky edges to match the texture of the wig. These edges will match perfectly with a kinky curly or a kinky straight. You can definitely go in and straighten the hair out a little bit with a flat iron or a blow dry brush, but it still wouldn't change the texture of the hair. I know this texture is man-made. You may cut the hair before you actually make the curl. Make the curl and then cut the hair. Or or save the hairline for after you make the curl, and then just cut the curl off of here and ventilate it into here. Does that make sense, Sunber? But all in all, the curl texture is really pretty. Jerry curly texture is a step up from water wave. Y'all know I say water wave is the beginner friendly curly bae. Jerry curly is still easy to work with. You just gotta clump it for your liking. Still glueless all the way around. I do consider Sunber to be a fast fashion brand, okay? That's not a ding towards them, it's just the facts. And not giving you a bunch of extras, you know, as far as deep bleach or deep plucking. They're not doing all that, but they are stepping up what they do offer. When it comes to the hair quality, it's not gonna be, you know, super high quality, but it's gonna give you a good enough quality that you can wear this wig outside. It can last a long time if you take care of your wigs. Don't go to the beach and jump in the water. Ocean water and sand, no ma'am. Chlorine will take this wig out. It's a fast fashion wig, you know, I don't do too much washing or whatever. I spray her down with some perfume like I'm about to do with this one, and I keep it moving. Let me go ahead and spray this real quick because she's still a little funky. Get your hair perfume, okay? Mine is linked in my description box. And I'm pretty sure this wig is around like $150, so you know, not too shabby for the looks. But as always, do what you will with your pockets or daddy papas, whatever floats your boat. Shout out one more time to Sunber Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.